It's fall. Let's upcycle this men's jacket into a cute autumn vest. Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back. I have a little bit different video for you this time because I was very kindly asked if I would like to make a collaboration video specifically for Instagram from local platform called Slow Fem. They focus on slow fashion and also lifestyle, and I was very thrilled and of course agreed. As you can see, there is a men's jacket, woolen one, hanging behind me, so that would be my victim for the upcycling. And it's the first time that I got some requirements, of course. I know that it should be under 2 minutes long, and of course for Reels or Instagram the format is supposed to be portrait, and also I'm gonna be making it in check. So yeah, let's do it. I'm very excited. Something different. Time for update. Okay, as you can see, the jacket is now turned into a vest. It doesn't have sleeves, and also I took out the pockets. That's the progress. What I did as well, I seam ripped the sleeves fully, because these pieces I will be using for the waist ties that I want to add, and also the lining, this beautiful dark blue that matches the blue in the jacket. I want to use it as bias binding. I want to make my own bias binding and use it to finish the raw hems. For today, what I'm hoping to make is to cut the jacket into the shape of the vest. Also, maybe, if it's going good, making the bias binding and the ties for the waist. That would be awesome if I get anything else done. That would be very ambitious and I will feel very lucky. We'll see how that's going and I can start working on it. Yay! Well, hello there. It's time for another update. What I did so far, as you can see, I made myself a bias binding out of the lining from the original jacket. Also, the jacket is cut, and I'm about to sew in finish basically the armholes and sides, and also my ties for the sides are ready to be sewn, turned right side out, ironed, top stitched, and put into the jacket. And I'm almost done. I will do the armholes, then the same way I will finish the button hem and add the waist ties, and the vest will be ready. Yay! The vest is done and it's time for the final update. It quickly became my favorite layering piece for the fall. It's very easy to style. It has many pockets, which is always a great to have. And my favorite detail are the ties that I made, because I decided to zigzag them instead of just simply top stitching them, and it helps to keep the shape pretty voluminous, I would say. So that's that. Thank you so much for watching. Also, thanks so much to Slow Femme for reaching out to me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!